Continuing my previous video, this video focuses on the retroflexed form as such called in its term. Pinyin has its own 4 alphabets especially for this retroflexed form. As explained in my previous history of pinyin video in this channel, the 26 letters of Latin alphabets are not enough to cover the 37 symbols used in Pinyin alphabets. So, pinyin uses the leading combinations of CH, SH, and ZH with an addition of alphabet R for the places of those 4 alphabets in Pinyin. C or Q in pinyin is pronounced as the starting J sound in English word Julie, except with plain lips, not the protruded ones. And Pinyin alphabet Ch with the tongue front is raised to near hard palate is written as leading combinations CH in pinyin. Pinyin alphabet R with the tongue front is raised to near the hard palate is written as alphabet R in pinyin. The pronunciation is similar to the starting R sound in English word round or the ending R sound in English word tour, except with plain lips, not the protruded ones. S or X in pinyin is pronounced as the starting S sound in English word some. And Pinyin alphabet Sh with the tongue front is raised to near the hard palate is written as leading combination SH in pinyin. Z or Ch in pinyin is pronounced as the starting CH sound in English word change, except with plain lips, not the protruded ones. And Pinyin alphabet J with the tongue front is raised to near hard palate is written as leading combinations ZH in pinyin. As pointed out in my video number 5, the retroflexed form is the only where alphabet H can only follow one of the alphabets C, S, or Z. In my personal opinion, I would say that Mandarin retroflexed form is not a straight retroflexed form as such Hindi's retroflexed form in pronunciation for T and D, where Mandarin retroflexed form does not curl the tongue tip. So, please do not get confused with the term. Similar to the details of the alphabets C, S, and Z in my previous video, first, the leading combinations CH, SH, ZH, and alphabet R in pinyin can be immediately followed by vowels only. Next, Pinyin alphabets Ch, R, Sh, and J are said to be voiced consonants by means that a consonant, each of them by itself, is pronounceable. However, in pinyin, leading combinations of CH, SH, ZH, and the additional alphabet R are not pronounceable without any vowels. Therefore, the written alphabet I is borrowed again to follow immediately those leading combinations CH, SH, ZH, and the alphabet R to make them pronounceable. Then, the borrowed alphabet I here only gives continuation of bass consonant sound of the followed CH, R, SH, and ZH. Therefore, please put more attention on the pinyin CHI, RI, SHI, and ZHI in contrast to CHE, RE, SHE, and ZHE. Please remember that pinyin alphabet C is pronounced as the plain lips J in English Julie, and the leading combination CH is pronounced as the alphabet C with the tongue front is raised to near the hard palate. Here is how to pronounce the leading combination CH in pinyin. CHA is pronounced as cha, CHAI is pronounced as chai, CHAN is pronounced as chan, CHAng is pronounced as chang, CHAO is pronounced as chow, CHE is pronounced as cha. The alphabet E following the leading combination CH requires you to open your mouth to pronounce the vowel E clearly to make the complex consonant-vowel combination form. You have to compare this CHE with CHI below. CHEN is pronounced as chen, CHEng is pronounced as cheng, Please remember this CHI special pinyin form. This alphabet I in CHI is only a written alphabet, and it's pronounced as ch. With the alphabet I following the leading combination CH, you cannot drop your lower jaw in pronouncing ch, the voice consonant. You have to compare this ch with ch above. CHOng is pronounced as chong, CHOU is pronounced as cho, CHU is pronounced as chu, CHUAI is pronounced as choi, CHUAN is pronounced as chuan, CHUAng is pronounced as chuang, CHUI is pronounced as choi, CHUN is pronounced as chun, CHUO is pronounced as chuo. Please remember that pinyin alphabet R is pronounced with the tongue front is raised to near the hard palate, as R in English round or tall but with the plain lips. Here is to pronounce the alphabet R in pinyin. ER is pronounced as This is the only pinyin with ending retroflexed form consonant. REN is pronounced as ran. RAng is pronounced as rang. RAO is pronounced as rao. RE is pronounced as r. The alphabet E following the alphabet R requires you to open your mouth to pronounce the vowel E clearly to make the complex consonant-vowel combination form. You have to compare this RE with RI below. REN is pronounced as ren. REng is pronounced as reng. Please remember this RI special form. This alphabet I in RI is only a written alphabet, and it's pronounced as r. With the alphabet I following the alphabet R, you cannot drop your lower jaw in pronouncing r, the voice consonant. You have to compare this r with r above. ROng is pronounced as rong. ROU is pronounced as ro. RU is pronounced as ru. RUAN is pronounced as ruan. RUI is pronounced as roi. RUN is pronounced as run. RUO is pronounced as ruo. Please remember that pinyin alphabet S is pronounced as the plain lips S in English, some, and the leading combination SH is pronounced as the alphabet S with tongue front is raised to near the hard palate. Here is how to pronounce the leading combination SH in pinyin. SHA is pronounced as sha. SHAI is pronounced as shai. SHAN is pronounced as shan. SHAng is pronounced as sang. SHAO is pronounced as shao. SHE is pronounced as sir. The alphabet E following the leading combination SH requires you to open your mouth to pronounce the vowel E clearly to make the complex consonant-vowel combination form. You have to compare this SHE with SHI below. SHEI is pronounced as she. SHEN is pronounced as shen. SHEng is pronounced as sung. Please remember this SHI special pinyin form. This alphabet I in SHI is only a written alphabet, and it's pronounced as sh. With the alphabet I following the leading combination SH, you cannot drop your lower jaw in pronouncing sh, the voice consonant. You have to compare this sh with sh above. SHOU is pronounced as so. SHU is pronounced as shu. SHUA is pronounced as shua. SHUAI is pronounced as shuai. SHUAN is pronounced as shuan. SHUAng is pronounced as shuang. SHUI is pronounced as shui. SHUN is pronounced as shun. SHUO is pronounced as shuo. Please remember that pinyin alphabet Z on the other hand is pronounced as the plain lips CH in English change instead of J, and the leading combination ZH is pronounced as the alphabet Z with the tongue front is raised near to hard palate. Here is how to pronounce the leading combination ZH in pinyin. ZHA is pronounced as cha. ZHAI is pronounced as chai. ZHAN is pronounced as chan. ZHAng is pronounced as chang. ZHAO is pronounced as chao. ZHE is pronounced as cha. The alphabet E following the leading combination ZH requires you to open your mouth to pronounce the vowel E clearly to make the complex consonant-vowel combination form. You have to compare this ZHE with ZHI below. ZHEN is pronounced as chen, ZHEng is pronounced as cheng. Please remember this ZHI special pinyin form. This alphabet I in ZHI is only a written alphabet, and it's pronounced as z. With the alphabet I following the leading combination ZH, you cannot drop your lower jaw in pronouncing z, the voice consonant. You have to compare this z with z above. ZHOng is pronounced as chong, ZHOU is pronounced as cho, ZHU is pronounced as chu, ZHUA is pronounced as chua, ZHUAI is pronounced as chuai, ZHUAN is pronounced as chuan, ZHUAng is pronounced as chuang, ZHUI is pronounced as chui, ZHUN is pronounced as chuan, ZHUO is pronounced as chuo. And that's all for this video number 13. Thank you for watching.